What is it? I don't understand how that big bug could fit in that bit, in that little... Ethan?
Just stick it right over it.
Ethan, it's a cicada. I know.
You're that close, just stick it over it. And hold it there.
And I can't believe I found that. It's a big bug. I can't. I need something to scrape it with.
No, just stick it over it.
Hey, I see camel on it, and it looks like the camel looks like something you can twist. Mom, I lost my tooth threads, and I remember I gave my
Oh, just get it.
$2 to.
Just right over it, go. Ah!
Oh.
Okay, get the lid. Ethan, hand him or Luke, hand him the lid.
Here.
Put it over, hurry before it flies out.
There.
Let me see.
I can't believe you did that.
Let me see it. That is so nasty.
It is? Look, it's getting off. Okay, Mom, I got something that I can punch some holes in. The cicada shell. And the cicada. Yeah. I can't believe that I did that. I see its mouth. It's like. Is it the tiny dot? No. Is that its nose? Here. Mom, is that right?
I don't know.
I see.